In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Chatbot I. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, start a conversation, get a quick result, and refine it until it's just right. First, open your preferred web browser and head to grok.com. You'll land on Grok's homepage, and from there, you can access the chat interface. Think of Grok as a helpful assistant that responds to your instructions in plain English. No special formatting is required. Just type what you need. Once you're in the chat, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. That's where you talk to Grok. Above it, you'll see the conversation area where responses will appear in a running thread. If you're new, take a moment to orient yourself. The input field is where you'll craft your prompt, and the send button is how you submit it. Now talk to Grok the same way you would to a colleague. You can ask a question or give a direct command. Questions are great for learning or clarifying, like, what are the key steps to plan a workshop? Commands are best for production tasks, like draft a short email inviting attendees. The more specific you are, the better the output. Add context such as your audience, tone, and any constraints like length or format. Avoid sharing private or sensitive information. Here's a simple example you can try. Give 5 ideas for Reels content. That short prompt tells Grok exactly what to produce: a set of ideas and a quantity. You can customize it by adding your niche or style, such as for a fitness brand, or high energy and trend aware. Type your prompt into the chat box and press send. You can hit enter on your keyboard or click the send icon. After you submit, give it a moment. Grok will start generating almost instantly. You'll see the response appear line by line. If it pauses briefly, that's normal while it processes your request. Read through the result to see how well it matches your intent. From here, refine the output to get it closer to perfect. Ask for changes directly in the same thread. You might say, make the ideas more beginner-friendly. Shorten each idea to one sentence. Or add an attention-grabbing hook. If you need a different style, ask for a casual tone, a professional tone, or a step-by-step format. You can also request more depth, examples, or clearer structure. Keep iterating until the response fits your needs. And remember, you can always restate your goal if the conversation drifts. That's it. You've just learned how to use Grok, from opening the site to refining results with simple, effective prompts.